episode of FUM0047 machining. We are going to repair a häkkyrä. This is a häkkyrä, and this is used for, it's made from wood, and well, as you can see, this one is not in a very good shape. Actually it involves some quite interesting geometry, and when in good shape it functions just fine, but until then it's mostly useless. So let's repair this, and this is for my wife. Now let's take this häkkyrä apart. So well, first we probably would like to see how is it okay. 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 Now, okay. So there are 6 of those, and then these are interconnected like this. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay. And that one too. Okay. This is the central element. Yeah. Well, it's a little bit glued, somebody has done, but other than that this looks alright. No lubrication needed here. Okay, this is in good shape. Oh, it's not. We are missing one piece here. So, okay, I will super glue it to its place. Let's see if this works. Okay, it should. This is this Gale type of super glue. So, okay. These all are okay. These 4, this one needs just some cleanup, okay. This one must be replaced, I believe. Let's see what's under this. No, let's not see what's. No, it could be actually quite good. Just glue it if it's now. Well, the wood surface is clean. This is actually just broken in 2 parts, and shouldn't be too hard to glue these together from there. Okay. Well, how I'm going to do these cross sections like this is I'm going to use these. Goes from one side like that, and then goes from the other side like that, and then I will put a washer there and solder it in place. Yeah, and then snip off the excess. Okay. Now here we have all the 6 parts which need this kind of construction. This one is better the other way around, because it's a little bit springy. Yep. Okay, so now I put a washer there. I have a selection of washers Yes. Now, easier to pick them up. Search. Okay, I found one, but it's not a good one. Okay, let's take that. It's a really tiny. It was a really tiny. Okay, here is another one. Like that. Then I just put it there. Like that. And then now I use the, well, 2mm solder. I have also replaced the tip on my soldering iron. And then we just do some soldering. Hope that, yeah, it wets really nice. You have to wait. Wait. Yeah. There you are. One joint done. And now I snip, I will show it to you. It's really nice looking. Like that. And now I snip off the excess of this nail thing. Oh yeah, there you are. Probably some filing, and then this is next. These nails were nickel plated. It was stated in the package, and this means that they wet very well with solder. Okay. Oh, this is horrible. It was still liquid. You need to wait for it. Okay, now. Well, Hakkyra is now ready for use. It's like, works like this. And yes, I did some clean up, and now it's complete Hakkyra. Now, let my wife show you how this is used.
Hello! When you buy yarn skein, they are like this, and you need it to go to the ball form for knitting a product. You have to and therefore I have a little helper here. Now my skein is open. And
oh, this needs two hands. I didn't realize that this is not easy to use all alone. And then we need a needle. Not to my finger, please. Yep.
And then how to find the beginning of the yarn. And if this is my first time, so I have to find how it goes, but it's working quite nicely. And like this you do all the way until the yarn is in the end. So this is the Hakkyra you have heard it already many times. My husband had repaired it for me.
So this might be a nice machining project. Actually there are multiple things to do. One big shaft, maybe aluminium, and then these rods. Well, in this case this is very old, probably over 100 years, but there is some threading to do, bearings, bushings, all sort of fancy things. Yeah, and it's a usable item. The geometry is really simple. There are 6 sticks in every direction, and all the sticks are alike. They are identical. 12 of the sticks have a hole in the center. Rest of the sticks have holes in the ends, and that's pretty much of it. It's really, yeah, that's the geometry, and you can see how it is set up. It's well, and the system how it is attached to the table. There is a screw under, which you just screw, and then you tighten it there. Yeah. In this case it's made from wood, but you could also make that from metal or plastic, maybe. And yeah, that's Hakkyra. Well, this was a short episode of Hakkyra. Next episode will probably be the food for that milling machine. If not another Hakkyra appears. These come around the corner from time to time. Yeah, okay. Till next time, see you!